Okay, so firstly I'm going to assemble the waste bag. The waste bag attaches onto the vacuum like so. Take this attachment, put it through. And you can adjust it to whatever your tank size. Again, attach it to the vacuum. Make the required adjustments. Stick it back into the tank. And away you go. Now if you have a much larger tank, then definitely use the longer extension. Again, using these attachments, put it straight through, like so. Attach it to the gravel cleaner, affix it back onto the vacuum. Make sure you've got enough length. Put it back into the tank and turn it back on. Adjust accordingly. Okay? Now you may be wondering why I mentioned the hose earlier on. If you're changing water, instead of using the waste bag, detach it, attach the hose to it, and what you want to do is you want to stick it into another bucket. Okay? If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much.